Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to clear cache from your Google Drive. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Google Drive application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, register if you do not already have a Google Drive account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom we have the home screen, the start, shared, and the files. And also in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the recent, offline, spam, bin, and the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and clear cache from your Google Drive. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, you need to go and open Google Drive as we have it open at the moment. And then click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then go to settings. And after that, just under the general tab, find the option for cache. Then what you need to do is just click on clear cache and it will be immediately cleared. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.